instead of the big size. Yes, the blue set. I know there's some of you guys love the sky blue. So let me do it. This part. Nice. Oh. Wait a sec. What's on this bed? Thank you, sweetie. Thanks for following. Okay. Let's set this railing. Attached to this bed. This sounded Tate. There's a word and another E. Wait a minute. Let's do another one. Seems like this one's leaving once. One cupid. Okay. Nice. The name of this one is called Cat Academy. I'm gonna do. Okay. First bat is finished. Let's do their coats and the purse. Okay. What else? Alright, guys. Let's do another bat. Guide his name. The back. Alright. Let's do it. Oh no. It's too high up. That's better, right? With the calendar. And guys. Oh, the bag is hidden. Bag is hidden. I got a nice idea. Maybe like that. Hey, what you think? Should I do this cat on this bed? Yes or no? feel like this mattress need to be higher. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. Let's do another part. Oh, this one's wonky so bad. Wait. They're roommates, yeah. Guess maybe they're sister brother or they're siblings. 애교였나? Alright. Oh, trash can. Hey, perfect. Let's do a left part. Hello. Hey, look at this cat. So he's watching those cats to check if they are sleeping or not. Very cute. The name of this activity is 3D sticker art. The corner of the wing. Oh, you mean the right corner? Wait a sec. Maybe I should just move it down a little bit. Like this, right? Hee hee. Lovely. Okay, now everything's great. Thanks for tipping. Good idea. I guess I saw there's so many friends here in my live stream. What time is at your place? For me, it's 6:30 p.m. the evening time. Hey, the fingertip. Help me grip the tweezer. 9:30. Good night. The night time for you. 6:30. We have to say 3:30 in France. Bonjour. That looks wrong. Which part? Which part looks wrong? You can drop it down. So that I can fix. 11:30. Argentina. The cat? 2:30. Oh, after midnight. It's really late. I know it. I'm gonna move the chair. Wait a sec. Maybe this way. Yes. Now it's just a low battery. Gotcha. You're welcome. Third win Netherlands. Okay, guys. Now for this set, which color you guys want to say? I have the yellow color, or the blue color. Let's do the blue. Yellow or blue? You guys can pick for me. Blue. Here. Yellow, please. This is my reference picture, and this is that I just finished. So, if any of you guys interested, you can just join my board to grab the physical ones. So now let me try. Maybe try